y'all, good morning. I don't want to show y'all my face right now because I don't look presentable, but I just want to stop in and say, hey, I made my cup of coffee for this morning. As y'all see, I was going to go out for breakfast, but I decided not to because I was like, I got too much food left over from yesterday. I can eat that for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the day, to be honest, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I heated up me a couple of, a little bit of this pasta, and a couple of biscuits for breakfast this morning. I'm drinking it with my coffee and, of course, my water. But yeah, I just want to stop in and say, hey, good morning. I'll probably see y'all when I get dressed for today and I start looking like somebody because I look like death right now. If I showed y'all me right now, y'all would unsubscribe. But yeah, I just want to stop in and say, hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, hey. If you're returning, what's up? But yeah, I'll see y'all later once I start looking like somebody. Okay, y'all, so I'm up. Yes, I'm looking like yesterday. But, so, it's only 9 o'clock. Like I said, I was gonna check out and freaking go back to the truck center, and they should have the part today. Did it snow? Oh no, that's concrete. That wind is whipping. Y'all look at that. I always pay attention to like the top of the trees when I be driving, because that's how you can tell if the wind whipping or not, or if it's just you being paranoid. Like I say, yeah. I was gonna check out today, but I'm gonna go downstairs and add another night because safety department just called me from my company asking if I was driving or not, and I told them no. I said my truck is in the shop, and they was like, well, you plan on being out today or is it tomorrow? I didn't know where the conversation was going there before, you know, it ended or whatever. So I was like, no, they was waiting on the part. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it's coming today, and everything should be situated today or whatever. And it was like, well, we were just calling all the drivers in the area because the wind speed is supposed to get up to like 70 miles per hour or whatever, and we trying to make sure people that's bobtailing or got a trailer or whatever, even if you got a trailer and you load it, you need to be pulled over or whatever just for safety reasons. I was like, oh, you ain't gotta tell me, you ain't gotta call and tell me that, because anytime I feel like my trailer, I can't keep my trailer in between them two lines, I'm pulling over regardless. I'm got the wind speed 20 miles per hour. If I don't feel comfortable driving, I'm not driving. But apparently the wind gust is supposed to get up to, the wind speed is supposed to get up to 30-something miles per hour, and the wind gust is supposed to get up to 70 miles per hour. So I was like, and I said, well, yeah, I seen that on the weather app or whatever. It's supposed to get like that till 9 o'clock tonight. And she was like, no, it's supposed to be like that to 6 o'clock in the morning. I was like, oh, well, even if my truck is ready today, I'm not going nowhere. It's a truck stop like a mile away from the place that I was, and I'm getting my truck fixed at, but the parking there is limited. And when I say limited, I mean very limited. Like, it's like a box, basically. You maybe can get like 10 trucks in that parking lot. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm about to go downstairs, add another night here, check out in the morning, and hopefully in the morning when I go to the truck shop, wind speed be down, truck will be ready, and I just get in and go. But yeah, I was just giving y'all an update what's going on or whatever. And so today's vlog might be kind of boring. You know what? Since I'm staying here extra day, I might go down to the gym, get on the elliptical machine, stretch some muscles out. But we'll see. I'm not making any promises. Yeah, y'all can hear the wind in the hotel. That's how bad it's blowing. Yeah, I'm definitely not going nowhere. I really do got a snack machine, but I didn't buy my corn. The drinks, oh, they take cards. How much is it? $2? Okay, so let me get some drinks now here. Some chicken. I don't like it's in the middle. Everybody can see. I need to add another night.
What's your room number?
Bag, ready to go.
Fruit, granola bar, water, but I do believe the breakfast is still out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we usually leave it out 30 minutes.
That's good. I'm gonna grab one of those too for lunch. Save me some money.
Door shut?
There.
Yeah,
I can peek in here. If not, it's fine. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, I just take time to go. Oh, French toast. Okay, y'all, so I'm planning to add an extra night onto my room. And in the mist, as I told y'all, it was like a little bit after. They said they stopped serving breakfast at 9. And here it is, 9:41, and they still have breakfast out. As y'all can see, I showed y'all the little landscape. Also, when I went back to the front desk, they had like this little grab and go type situation. So, trying to see what kind of snacks they got in here. Okay. So we got a bottle of water, orange, and a granola bar. That's nice. So thoughtful. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see y'all guys on the next one.